This is the elevator at the Drury Inn and Suites near Universal in Orlando, Florida. There is a desk on one that these elevators open right up to.
Eighth floor.
We are at 8.
Going down.
So, one of the other elevators doesn't work. We're gonna go down to 1. So there are 3 elevators here.
First floor.
I think I showed you the certificate. I can't remember if I did. Anyway, there it is.
Going up.
Going up?
Yeah.
Which floor?
3rd.
3rd?
Yeah, thank
Right.
you.
Second floor.
Are you shaking today?
Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Going up.
So, here's a look in a hallway. As I mentioned, there's one elevator here on the left, and then one on the right. We're going to, this one right here has been replaced. This one is still original. Interesting. I'll cut them when we get the other elevator. And we got the same elevator back, so
Going down.
we got it right here.
Going up.
So let's see, it might go down first. If it does, let's go to 1. Yep, going down.
First floor. Going up.
No one getting on.
Eighth floor.
We're at 8.
Going down.
And there's a light on in the elevator shaft. Wonder what that's for. So let's go down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate and your cab view.
First floor.
These are pretty nice. And
Going up.
we're gonna end the video up at 2 since, like I said, there is a desk at 1.
Second floor. Going down.
There it goes. And that'll be it.